This now another Kajad morning on top your health corner for Good Morning Naija show, where me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adora, they decipher, they break down all the information where you need to make sure say your body they very, very Kajad. Yes, so yesterday we've been start the matter we concern breast cancer. And as I yarn you all the plenty things where you suppose know, I tell you say I go begin talk to you today about the causes of this breast cancer. Although they never sabi the main cause of breast cancer, it never they very clear, but we know wetin the main risk factors be. Risk factors now the things where if you get them, if they possible say you fit get this breast cancer. Well, most women they consider them say they be high risk for breast cancer. Sometimes, even though they consider them like that, they know they get them. On the other hand, 75% of women where they develop this breast cancer, they don't get any known risk factor. So among the most significant factors, one of them, now when person don't they old. If you don't they old, they go. Like I mentioned before, between certain ages, especially above 50, people go on, they get this breast cancer. Then on top of that one, if for your family, if you get family history of this breast cancer, the risk they increase slightly for woman we don't get some kind breast lumps. We no be cancer before, but she don't get them before. And it they increase for woman we don't previously get breast cancer, or you get the one where they call endometrial cancer, ovarian cancer, or colon cancer. This is not cancer where they different parts of the body. Then any woman where the mama, the sister, or the pikin where be girl don't get breast cancer. Then talk say that woman get 2 to 3 times more likely chance to develop the disease, especially if na more than one person. All these people are called, if na more than one, for example, the mama and the pikin, or the mama and the sister get this breast cancer, it is very, very likely, say, the woman will get her. Then this one, they very true. If the cancer don't develop for the woman, even when she never stopped menopause. You know what menopause be now? Whether even when she never starts menopause. And menopause now when it don't stop to they see a menstrual period. Or if the cancer developed for the 2 breasts before and then treat them, it they very likely say it will come back again. Sabinus people, you know, so I like this Sabinus people where they don't discover 2 genes where they're responsible for this familial breast cancer. That's not cancer where they move from one generation to another generation. They call the first one BRCA1 and BRCA2. That's not BRCA1 and BRCA2. About 1 woman in 200 they carry one of these genes. So if person get this BRCA1 or BRCA2 gene, it means say in they open to breast cancer. Even though it don't mean say it must get a more. Then talk say her lifetime risk now between 56% to 85%. And these genes, they predispose person, not be only to breast cancer, but also to ovarian cancer. Plus that one, it is associated with pancreas cancer and some other melanomas. And even when man get breast cancer, that most of the time the man get that BRCA2 gene. Because of all this risk, it gets some kind prevention strategies where they do on top the matter, and some kind screening guidelines where we feel give to those we get this BRCA genes, especially those where they're they're very aggressive. It gets some other genes where they don't identify, where they increase the risk of this breast cancer, where I no go to disturb you on top the matter. However, these genes that they carry lower risk of for breast cancer past that BRCA1 and 2 where I mentioned before. Generally, women when they over 50, then they're more likely to get breast cancer than other younger women. And African American women, that now black women especially, they're more likely than white women to get breast cancer before they reach the ages of menopause. They don't discover one link between breast cancer and hormones, but the thing never they clear. These Sabinus people then think say the greater a woman's exposure to the hormone estrogen, that now, if you too get plenty estrogen for your body, it is very, very possible say you fit get breast cancer. Because why? Estrogen, they tell the cells to divide. And the more the cells for the body they divide, the more likely they go become abnormal. Therefore, they fit get cancer if it become cancerous. So a woman's exposure to estrogen and progesterone, they rise and fall during her lifetime. And this one, they influenced by the age where she begin to menstruate. That's not the age where she begin to sell red oil, and they stop when she stop her menopause. Now here I go back break on top this matter. Tomorrow, I go still give you more gist we concern this breast cancer. By the time I finish with you, you go become professor for the matter. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this na Health Corner. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.